Okay, so here we have the second round of Daddy School. We are going to learn to simplify an equation with variables. If you look here, we have two variables. Can anyone tell me what the variables are here? The two variables are A and B. Can anyone find another A variable?
There.
Right here. Right here. Here's another A variable. Can anyone find another B variable?
Can I do it?
That's actually a 6. Sorry,
Oh.
Daddy wrote it funny. That's a 6. Good. Great job, Alethea and Azalea. Great job. Now, let's try to simplify.
No, can I do
So if we're going to simplify, first we just repeat. We're going to repeat the 7a minus the 5b. And then, who knows the distributive property? Who knows the distributive property? The distributive property goes like this. The distributive property goes like this. So if we're going to do the distributive property, it's going to be 3 times 6a, this is a 6, plus 3 times b. Do you see how it distributes? The distributive property distributes like this. Sense or no sense?
Sense.
Okay, now let's continue to simplify. If we continue to simplify, 7a minus 5b plus, what's 3 times 6?
3 times 6 equals 18.
3 times 6 is 18. Great job. 18 what?
A.
18a plus 3b. Great job. Now, if we have a lot of a's and we have a lot of b's, what should we do? Group them together. So let's group like terms. Let's put the a next to each other, next to the 18a. Oops. And let's put the b next together. So did we group like terms?
Yes.
Good. Now, let's try to collapse them together. What's 7a plus 18a? What's 7a plus 18a? What's 7 plus 18a? And then, what is minus 5 plus 3b? Who can tell me what 17 plus 18? Who can tell me what 7 plus 18 is? Who can tell me what 7 plus 18 is? 7 plus 8 is?
15.
Good. So 7 plus 18 is?
25.
So we have 25
A.
A. Good. Now what about the minus 5 plus 3? What's minus 5 plus 3? What's 5 minus 3?
Negative. 5 minus 3 is 2.
Good. So minus 5 plus 3 is? Negative
2.
Good. Negative 2 what?
B.
Good. Great job. So we have simplified the big equation. We simplified 7a plus minus 5b plus 3 times the quantity 6a plus b. We simplified it into what? We simplified it into
25a minus 2b.
sense or no sense?